Hey guys, this is UC from My Trade Price. It is Wednesday, November 18th, around 9 p.m. Eastern. And I just wanted to quickly talk about a few things and just review the charts. And some of the people, members actually emailed me and asked me if we're sending the morning levels out anymore. So I have not sent them out in the email format lately. I've just been using the Twitter in the morning to come up with a focused list of stocks and then the levels associated with those stocks. I think it provides better and focused list rather than me going through like 8 names every day and giving you all those names and then just creating some sort of a FOMO, because then you'll be like kind of scattered trying to find out which stock to trade and at which level. So I try to like break down into 4 names every day and just kind of go through them in detail and find out which ones offer high probability, high quality setups. So for example, today BA, right? I wanted to get long above 224 in pre-market, or that's what my suggestion was, right? That if you are trading BA, look for the pre-market high of 224 to get long above that, right? And I provided these levels above that, and 227 and 234 were targets. But what happened? In BA, we opened up at 223. We never saw 224 after the market opened. So it sold off. That's why it never triggered. And on the pullbacks, if you want to buy in the pullback, I would highly recommend see if the pullback is overlaying with one of the support levels, right? So for example, if you wanted to play BA in the pullback, 213, right? That was one of the levels, support levels. So buy at 213 and play this bounce, right? So for example, if you wanted to play the bounce, this is where you would have kind of come down. This was the first touch bounce right there. Even if you bought there, you would have gotten like, I don't know, $2 worth of bounce. Or if you just held on to it, you could have gotten like around 216, 217, right? So that could have been a good bounce, but the higher trend was down, higher time frame trend was down, so it made more sense to short this name. And you could see that the market wanted to fill this gap that they had given. I think it was like the 3rd, 4th day of Boeing that it was giving sort of a move up. So after all this big move up from like 160 level to 220, it was just more of a chase than a calculated trade with risk management, right? And sometimes it's okay, you do that, but it never triggered for the long side, at least because the pre-market high was 224. Okay, let's look at another name. Okay, so Facebook has been the range bound. Bears would like to see it break down from 274 and take out 272 eventually, right? On the other hand, range stop is 278 to 279, right? It has been trading in this yellow box for the most part. So the trade is to buy low, sell high, or short high and buy back lower. So what happened to Facebook today? Here's a daily chart. Let's get into like a 5-minute chart. Here's the 5-minute chart, right? So we open kind of towards the low end of that range, 274. It shot up nicely, 277, right? You should be taking profits there or looking to short. Or if you wanted to short above 277.80, you could have waited there, but then it never got there. So that means there's no trade, right? You just don't know if it will move back up or it will break down. So go trade something else where you have more confidence. You don't have to trade Facebook if it's not giving you a good confident signal. All right, so now looks like Facebook closed towards the low end of its recent range, actually even below 272. So it will be interesting to see what happens in the morning tomorrow. Okay, gave another name, which was Tesla, right? So that was really a star of the day. Actually, what did I write in Tesla? It's an intraday resistance from yesterday around 448 level, okay, pre-market. Around 442 would be the gap fill, right? So what does that mean? That means this was chart from yesterday that, okay, so we are opening up, we were trading somewhere around here in the pre-market, and I wanted us to get long once it moves towards, yes, like the day before yesterday's close around 442, right? That would be the gap fill move. And what did Tesla do? It kind of exactly did that, right? It opened up, here it is. It opened up right there, 447, 448, went back down towards 442. It did not go all the way. It's still, there's like $1 left, but you get the idea, right? It filled, kind of, get closed to fill the gap, and you could have gotten in here, or if you missed the move, that's fine. Play the next level up. What was the next level up? The next level up was 452. 456, 462, right? So if you keep on looking at those levels, 452, right? Right here, 456, right? Something like this. So get long here for the breakout trade, right? So that's why I spend a lot of time in the morning going through these charts, because these are the names I trade for myself. So if you're waiting for my tweets, that's not an ideal way to make use of this platform. That's why I spend some time on the morning notes that we share. It will help you, it will guide you, and that's what you like. Okay, that's what you want. Let's look at another name, Zoom, right? That's the one that I traded myself as well and also shared in the morning. What was the level? Got rejected at 411. 389 to 385 is a good buy area, or 405 is the resistance that it needs to take out for a long trade. So what happened in Zoom? Okay, here's a 5-minute chart. Okay, so the Zoom, it opened up sort of like where it closed day before yesterday, and then it went back down towards 390, right? So it filled this gap below 396 level. So I did play, actually I was not wanting to play the move down, but I did end up playing the move down from 396 till I think 392. I captured that $4 move, did not keep it till the way, and then I wanted to dip buy right here, but then I couldn't get a fill because I was being stubborn that I want to only buy it at 390.2, but it never gave me that fill, and then it just kind of chopped around, and then 405 was the level that we wanted it to get above, and which it did towards the last half an hour, and then it never came down. It just took out 411 as well, which was the resistance from yesterday. So that's another level. That's why these levels work. These levels are well thought out, and spend a lot of time in the morning coming up with these levels and the analysis and the plan. So go through these notes and make use of these. This will help you. Okay. For tomorrow, I don't know, we'll just check it out in the morning what's going on, but for right now, looks like market took a dump here towards the close, and then since then it's just been kind of, futures are just kind of, treading down right now, not really up. So we'll see what happens in the morning. But this is, I just wanted to kind of quickly talk about that. And here is the auto trading. It's almost set up. I just need to send a couple of documents to Collective 2 in order for them to verify a few things from our side. So once that is taken care of, this is good. This is up and running, and you can join the auto trading platform here. It's only going to be stocks and futures, okay, swing trades and futures. So there are two strategies I do. Futures now is only for futures, and this trader you see is for swing trades that I do every week. Okay, so you can read about them. If you have any questions about them, let me know. Email me, and I'll be happy to talk about that. Okay, so wish you guys good luck, and talk to you in the morning. Thank you so much.